This is the last of the introductory videos in this series, and will introduce two features, link sets and collections, which are valuable tools in managing and using resources. There are two resources, a Bible and a commentary, open to John 7:37-39, and a Bible word study guide examining the word translated believes in verse 38. We'll look at using commentaries and guides in more detail in a later video. To link all of these resources into a link set, click the panel icon and choose Link Set A. A letter indicating membership of the link set is displayed. Then repeat this for the commentary and the guide. Now, scroll the Bible and the commentary will keep in step. Scrolling the commentary will, likewise, keep the Bible in step. Moving to a different book in the Bible by changing the reference in the reference box will cause the first commentary to close and the appropriate one in the same series to open at the right place. Multiple resources can be added to link sets, and multiple link sets can be in use at the same time, a powerful and flexible mechanism of keeping things connected. Clicking a word in the Bible will also update the focus of the Bible Word Study Guide. Click Judgment in Romans 2:1 to see how the guide updates. This is a simple way to have immediate access to a wide range of information about a word you are studying. Lexicons can be linked in as well. Open the Exegetical Dictionary of the New Testament by typing it in the command field and dragging the entry from the drop-down to the same panel as the Bible Word Study Guide. Dragging resources allows you to position them exactly as you wish. Add the lexicon into the link set and click a word in the biblical text to update the lexicon to the article on that word. While link sets keep resources in step, collections help you organize them. To create, examine, and modify collections, click Tools, then Collections. There are sections for the collection's name, for entering resource matching rules, and for adding or removing specific resources not covered by the matching rules. To create a collection of commentaries on John, first name it, then enter the rule type, commentary, then the word and, followed by subject, John, into the rule field. This fills in resources matching those criteria. Details of which fields are available to use in this way are available in the Logos help file. Also select the Show and Parallel Resources option. You can use this collection for searching specific resources and also easily moving between them. Going back to John 7:37 in the Bible will reopen the commentary on John, which is now in this new collection. Click the Parallel Resources Sets icon to see other matching commentaries in the collection, and click one to replace the first commentary with the new one. This is an effective way of moving through relevant articles in your set of commentaries. Incidentally, you may not want to create a collection, but still constrain the set of resources you are searching. You can open a search window and set it to run a basic search. Type believes into the Find box, but before running the search, constrain it to only those resources that have John as their subject. Click the All Resources button, enter subject John into the Find box, select the resources in your library with that in the subject, and run the constrained search by clicking the search icon. At this point in your research, you have three resources open, as well as a guide, the help file, the collections tool, and a search panel. To save this arrangement and come back to it later, create a layout by clicking the Layouts button. Select Save as Named Layout, and give it a name such as John 7:37-39, Sukkoth. This name now appears in the top left of the screen. If you subsequently close all the panels by clicking the Close All Panels button, you can go back into the layout by clicking on Layouts and selecting it from the list of saved layouts. Though link sets and collections are basic features, they enable some of the powerful study capabilities Logos provides. And layouts provide a good way of organizing multiple projects and switching between them as required. In later videos, we'll look at different features and capabilities, but we'll also come back and make use of the concepts we have explored here. The next video will look at some of the features provided by the Passage Guide that allow you to collect more information about a passage.